English for Everyone. Coursebook. Level 3, Intermediate. Lesson 15.
He makes the bed every morning.
She mows the lawn every week. I do the cooking every evening. I walk the dog every day. They do the laundry every Sunday.
Your house always looks lovely. How do you do it, Laura?
Thanks, Tatiana. Well, I have a routine of things to do every day that I stick to.
What's your usual routine then?
Well, every morning I walk the dog, make the bed, and I tidy my bedroom quickly before I go to work. When I get home, I do the cooking and clean the kitchen.
Goodness!
It keeps me fit. And if I'm not out in the evening, I do the laundry and straighten up the living room.
You do that every day?
Not just that. I also mow the lawn once a week. Then, of course, there's the shopping to do. It's just me living here, so there's nobody else to do it.
Well, I guess I should get a better routine.
He folded the towels this morning. She did the dishes this afternoon. He's watering the plants now. They're clearing the table after lunch. I'll sweep the floor this afternoon. I'll load the dishwasher in a minute.
I'll clear the table later. He's doing the laundry now. She waters the plants every day. Last night, they walked the dog. On Sunday, he'll mow the lawn. He did the dishes last night.
I usually cook at home, but I'm eating out tonight.
He usually relaxes at home in the evenings, but tonight he's playing tennis. I do the laundry on Tuesdays, but this Tuesday we had visitors, so I'm doing it today. He normally goes out for dinner, but he's cooking at home tonight. I go to the gym every day after work, but today I'm having coffee with a friend instead. I'm shopping for clothes on my own today, but usually my friend comes with me.
Hi, Geeta. Ready to go shopping?
Oh, Maya, I'm so sorry. I'm too busy.
With what? We usually go shopping on Mondays.
Well, I normally do all the laundry on the weekend, but Raj invited guests, so I'm doing it now. And I usually clean the house on Tuesdays and Thursdays, but Raj and his friends left an awful mess, so I'm cleaning it up now.
Can't you do it tomorrow? We always go out for lunch after shopping. I booked a table for us at your favorite restaurant.
I'm sorry, Maya. I know we usually spend Mondays together.
Poor you. Can I help?
Thanks, sis.
Can I help with that pile of laundry?
Yes, that would be great.
Great. I'll hand wash them for you.
I usually put them in the washing machine.
I normally use a machine too, but your washing machine is full. How about I vacuum the floor?
Okay then. I usually sweep the floor.
I normally vacuum mine, Geeta. Doing things slightly differently isn't a problem, is it?
As long as everything gets done, Maya.
Exactly, Geeta.
End of lesson 15.